Brian Young with ProTinkerToys.com. We're doing 5 more videos on different cars. Don't forget to like and subscribe at the bottom here. Today we're doing a couple SCX cars and 2 fly cars. This one's going to be the Porsche 911 Gt3, a really nice car. These are really nice cars. If you want a really good durable car for your track, the SCX GT 911s, very nice cars, okay? So we're going to undo it. Basically, it has a little plastic pop screw that pops off that will remove the car from the chassis or from the base, okay? Now, I've already undone the screws. This is the inside of a 911, and these are things that you want to check your car before you race it. You want to make sure your circuit and your motor in place and your prongs on your guide pin, they're touching. You see these 2 prongs? See how one is down and one is up? You want to make sure that these are up like this, okay? Let's get that one up. Let's get a flat screwdriver here on that. There, you see how they're both flat now or up? So when they touch the guide pin down here, you're going to have contact. All right? And you want to take your, remember, you want to get your brushes up so that they're kind of like at a diagonal edge. Let's just do a quick test. There we go. Now, another thing that can happen in shipment is your front wheel. See, there's no axle, it's a strut. And they basically snap on, and in shipping, these can get popped out. So you want to make sure that both your tires are mounted in. And then this is your motor mount. It's a completely removable system. And then that will just snap back in to your chassis. Sometimes that can get popped out, okay, like that, and it won't run because it's got to touch the copper prongs along here. And this right here is your light circuit. You see your 2 prongs here? These are what's going to touch that circuit, which gives it a light, okay? See the lights? Let's do the lights for them. See how the lights come on? Okay, so we're going to drive around. And that's the Porsche 911 GT3, okay? Really nice car to drive, okay? Nice and quiet. It has the I think it's the RX42 motor, which is about 19 to 20,000 RPMs, all right? Beautiful decoing, nice tempo printing. And don't forget, that's the SCX, and that item number is A10159, okay? A10159, SCX 911 GT3. Thanks a lot, guys.